My name is Jeremy Hosine. I'm from Papillion. I'm a second-year med student, and I am a graduate of New York University, non-traditional student. I'm 29 years old, and I love it here. It's a strange thing to say. Space makes a difference, but it really does. You know, I've been told that it's among the best in the country, and it's always nice coming into a brand new place. There's a novelty, associated with it.
My name is Grant Wallace. I'm originally from Oakland, Nebraska. I'm just starting, 4 weeks into my second year of medical school here at the University of Nebraska Medical Center. It's hard to imagine what it would be like if we didn't have, all these facilities. And that's why I guess we're so fortunate, because, maybe almost spoiled in a sense that, it's all just normal for us, but I'm sure other students, other places maybe don't have those advantages. But hopefully that'll, it'll allow us to be better physicians to take care of, more patients, be more effective. At the bottom level of the Sorrell, there's a clinical skills laboratory, which is basically what we're in. So it's filled with rooms like this that are just like small examination rooms like you would go to when you go to see your family physician at clinic or whatever. So, it's open to us all the time, so we can come down here and practice our physical exams, practice taking histories, interviewing patients, things like that.
My name is Pellegrino, and I'm a third-year medical student originally from Lincoln, Nebraska. The green space is wonderful. I haven't got to use it as much as I'd like now that I'm kind of in the hospital during third year, but I remember even before it was as it is now, it was great just to be able to go out there and enjoy the sun for a little bit over lunch, or just, spend some few minutes with friends and really just enjoy the outside and how beautiful it was. The Sorrell Center is amazing. It's on the cutting edge of technology and design, and it's so wonderful to study and be a part of a building such as this. I think it really makes a difference because it really makes students want to be here, and when they want to be here, they have a better attitude, they study harder, and it makes a world of difference, I think.
I'm Carissa Stouffer. I'm a second-year medical student here at UNMC. The Sorrell Center is definitely state-of-the-art. I've never been in a building quite like this. I've definitely never had the opportunity to study in a place like this. The study rooms, I've definitely put in my time in them, and they're pretty incredible. They've got smart boards, marker boards. The best part, I think, is that each room is temperature controlled. It's my favorite part. But even our classrooms are absolutely incredible. The screens are huge and amazing. You can hear really well. Everything's recorded, so if you miss something, you can go back and watch a lecture. There's really not much more we could ask for. The Sorrell Center is really built for students. They thought of everything for us.
I'm Ryan Stanton. I'm a second-year medical student. I'm from Palmer, Nebraska. The lecture halls are incredible. We have state-of-the-art lecture halls with huge projection screens that makes it so we can see everything. It's all recorded, so we can watch it again on the internet. The speakers, it's easy to hear. Everyone can see very well. Comfortable chairs with big, long tables. So definitely the two lecture halls are incredible.
I love going to school here. I love the facilities, the staff, the faculty, everybody's been really great. The whole environment is just very conducive to learning. We've got everything we could possibly ask for. It's a really friendly campus, everybody says hi. It's just a small little community in the middle of Omaha.
I'd just like to thank all the donors that put their hard-earned money into the center to enhance many, many students' education.
It's great to wake up every day having a sense of purpose. I realize that, I'm being trained to be a compassionate and competent healthcare provider, and I think UNMC is doing a good job with that here.
I'd like to thank all the donors that donate to UNMC in the way of the buildings and the students. And I just want to say, for all of the students, we're really appreciative that you are furthering medical education in the state of Nebraska, and I think that there's a lot of great things to come from the students here, and I just want to thank you for the role that you guys are playing.
You've got philanthropists out there, private donors who believe in UNMC's mission, and that is to be a world-class academic medical center that fundamentally, primarily takes care of Nebraskans. And that's probably the coolest thing there, that that's what the private financing allows us to do, to continue progressing despite a shortage in state funds. So thank you.
On behalf of myself and the current and future students of the University of Nebraska Medical Center, a very, very sincere thank you to all the donors that made the Sorrell Center possible, and all of the facilities and opportunities that we have available to us. And we can't thank you enough. It's almost impossible to put into words how impactful it is on our education, how gratifying it is to know that there's people out there supporting us, supporting the university, supporting the state of Nebraska, and hopefully in the future we'll be able to return the favor.